time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fierce, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, night. Where are we today? You guys can't keep up, right? Or are you keeping up? I hope you guys are, because today we are no longer in Boston. We pack up and left Boston this morning with half our stuff because we're going back. But we're just leaving for a little bit, a little top bit. We're heading to a brand new state. It's a state, right? We're going to a brand new state. See, I'm getting the hang of the state thing. We're going to Maine today. I've heard so many good things about Maine, so I'm looking forward to seeing Maine. Can you say good morning, husband? My fine husband is driving. So if you guys haven't been following, let me keep you guys updated with what's going on. So we left France, came to the USA on vacation, but our mission is to visit as much as we can within the area. So we base in New Jersey. We went and visit New York City. We visit Philadelphia. We visited Boston, and now we're heading to Maine. So if you guys haven't seen those vlogs that came before this one, then go ahead and catch up on those vlogs, or finish watching this one and then you can go and watch those ones that we've posted before, just to keep you guys up to date with what we've been doing. So now we're heading to Maine. We'll be in Maine for 2 nights and 3 days, coming back on Friday back to Boston, and then we'll stay in Boston until the weekend. We head back to New Jersey, and then we'll be in New Jersey exploring and see where else we'll go from there. So as of now, right now, we're on our way to Maine, so we're looking forward to Maine, and I'll be sharing with you as much as possible along the journey. So stick and stay, subscribe if you're new to the fandom, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. But first, here's the kids. Sarah, say morning face. Tai is trying to take a nap, and Sarah is giving him a very hard time. She's around there making noise and kicking up and behaving badly. But I just gave her a tablet so she can calm down. I'll tell her to take his beauty nap. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Well, I guess this is welcome to Maine. In the middle of nowhere. I just asked baby fish if he's sure we're on the right road. We don't want to come to USA and get lost, do we? Do we?
We're fine.
This reminds me of some place in Jamaica. Well, not the road, but no disrespect to my wonderful country. But the bushes, the greenery, let's say it like that, the greenery, not the bushes, the greenery. But the road is immaculate. But Maine is known for its greenery, so I'll appreciate that. I appreciate the nature of things. So we've arrived in Maine. Now we're trying to find our first stop, which will be at a lighthouse. What I get to understand is that Maine is known for lighthouses, many and lots of those. So babe found one that he wants us to stop. So that will be our first stop before we continue on to our second stop. So lighthouse, here we come. And it's very hot today. Very hot today. Wow, what is that? This is not the ball field that I see. It's that building over there. This white building over there that looks like the White House. Haha. I don't know what building that is, but it's really nice.
It feels like a fishing, like a little village.
Listen, if it's 2 things I realize with USA, is that the flag is going to be outside of your house, okay? They're gonna let it be known, and I love that. And when you're a graduate, they're gonna let it be known on their lawn, and I love that. I think that is so cool. It says you're a graduate of which school and which year. That is so, you'll never see French people do that. I love it though. I love it. Flag is everywhere you look. You see the US flag. Almost every house have the US flag hanging. And I think that's cool. Yes, Ty. Oh, you're awake. Say hello to the face.
Hello. There's even some flags that I see, but not the real rectangles.
Okay.
Flag.
Those flags.
Semicircle.
Right. Those flags I get to understand were the very first flag that US had before they have all these many states. So it's like that one, right?
Oh, yes, because there's only 10 or 11 states. I forgot.
Right. I think there were 11 states before they have all these 50 something now.
Beach is just on the right.
The beach is just on the right? Okay. Alright. And hopefully for lunch or for dinner I can get to eat lobster, because I heard that there's lobster here galore and it's so good. So I'm looking forward to some seafood. I probably strap it from my usual shrimp today because I'm always having shrimp. But lobster, I'm looking forward to bite you. Anyway, you guys, we're in Maine and it's already so pretty here. Look at the beach. Look at these houses though. Look at the beach right there.
The only thing you have
Okay, it's sending you right to the edge of the beach. Wow.
It's normal because normally your lighthouses is close to the
Beach.
because they both go on the beach.
Right.
Oh, I just saw a lobster in the house.
You saw lobster in a house?
Yes.
These houses are nice, no babe? Wow.
But a
You
fake
guys, look at
lobster.
these houses.
But it was a fake lobster.
Yeah.
It wasn't a real.
You guys, look at these houses. They
I would
are
like to
nice.
to have one of those houses because in the same time it's fun because they are in the water.
No, they're not in the water. They're beside the water.
And one part there's some stick to make it stand and it goes in the water.
Yes, but these are not in the water. But you have houses that are in the water. Welcome to Sophia Park and Noble Light, York, Maine. Okay, I think we're entering like a zone here. Ooh, Fox's Lobster House. All right. The lighthouse is there. I can see tourists around here. So this might be lunch spot. A quick stop here just to see the landscape. And the lighthouse is right there at the top. We're not staying here for too long. It's just to see the lighthouse and the area. Yes, Tyler. in the same, we're gonna have lunch in the same place that we stopped. This is Fox's picnic patio menu, and we are gonna have crab cakes and chips and chicken tenders. You want to go sit with Tai Tai? Go. Decided that we're gonna have lunch here. Ordered a small amount of food. I'm very hungry, so let's see how it's gonna go. We might have to go and order something else. What is that on the camera? I was wondering, what is this on the camera? We had a little friends scrolling around the camera just now. But all the crab cakes and chicken tenders for the kids. They can feel the wind from the beach from where we're sitting. It's so refreshing. But yeah, that's a little chill spot. Crab cakes and fries, and the kids are having chicken tenders and fries. I'll let you guys know how the crab cakes taste. Lunch was good.
Yeah.
We ate at this place right here. The cupcakes were good. Fries were good. So lunch was a success. It's my first time tasting pink lemonade, but it's Tropicana with lemonade in it. It tastes really good. Really good. We don't have Tropicana pink in France. We have Tropicana. I think we have Tropicana orange. Or it's tropical orange. I don't think we have Tropicana at all. No, we don't have no Tropicana. Yes. Anyway, you guys, on to another stop. I am loving Maine already. It just looks like a nice chill spot. Look at these people over here. Minding their own business. We're just walking around and we realized that there's a lot of gift shops along the way. So we're trying to see if there's anything else here in the little space to do. Babe said there is a little walkway, so we're gonna try and find it. But here is just a nice, not so long. Here's a nice little vacation chill spot. Really nice. If you want a relaxed vacation, here would be perfect. Don't, babe? It's so beautiful. Oh yeah, if you want a relaxed vacation, Maine, highly recommend it. Peaceful, beautiful. Everything is at your fingertips. So we did a little walk along the beach with the fam bam. Sorry, I wake up and she's very whiny, so we are going back to see if we can find some slushy real quick to calm down this tension.
Guys, we just reached Kennebunkport, 8:30, right? The family is tired, so they're still in the car, and just went out to show you what we are seeing. We're just doing a quick stop. So here is what we are. This is the point of view that we have. We are at the church, to be exact, and this is the beach in front of me. We won't stop right now. At the beach, everybody is tired, but I just wanted to show you where we are. Well, they say also there's a little church. I don't know what's specific about that church, but it was in the things to see. So we just decided to stop. Look at this beautiful, wonderful church in full stone. And I'm gonna turn right. I'm gonna show you that. I don't know if it's the Sunday service, because it looks like it's a service holding there. But can you imagine the pastor preaching just here, and you're just sitting here listening to him? Wow. at people that's coming here on Sunday. The view from the pastor. And guys, this is the beautiful church, fully stone, very pretty, very pretty. So I'm gonna try to see inside to see if it's as pretty as outside.
Guys, so we have entered our hotel for the next 2 nights. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, I like to show you guys a real quick run through of what it looks like. So we have iron board as you enter here. We have somewhere to hang our clothes, we have place to put our suitcases, and then in here we have toilet and bathroom. Hold on, let's get a real quick look at that. Okay, there we go. We have sink. There I am. You have hair dryer, you have the toilet, and you have the bathroom, and you have towels, and in here is really clean. You have bins, and then here we have a door. Don't know what is behind here, maybe the neighbor. And then we have 2 beds. So one is going to be Tyler's, one is going to be Babe and I, and then we have bed for Sarah, which is in the car, so that will be good. She's already making herself comfortable. We have a seating area, table, and outside, yes, I can do my editing here. And I have seated area. We have TV here, and there's a fridge to put all the goodies, and there's microwave to warm all the goodies, yes. And there's drawer to put our clothes, yes. Yes, there's a fridge.
And a microwave.
And there's a microwave. And there's a coffee station. There we go. What you want? You want the phone? Who you're gonna call? No, you don't touch the phone, okay? No. Why you take off your shoes and we're going back out? Oh, everybody's making themselves at home and comfortable. All right. Anyway, you guys, that's a little tour of our hotel room for the next 2 nights. We're gonna head out and look for dinner, so I'll check in back with you guys in a bit. Let's settle in. Hi you guys, I am coming on to end the vlog real quick, as everybody has tapped out for the night. Leave me as usual. I'm just ending the vlog because I'm tired and I'm heading to bed. It's the first since I'm on vacation I am going to bed earlier than midnight. So it's 10:30 right now, and I'm trying to head to bed in the next 10 minutes as soon as this vlog finish uploading. I am going to get some rest so I can have a full fresh day tomorrow, trying to get at least 6 hours sleep tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoy our journey to Maine. Tomorrow we'll be exploring Maine the entire day, so don't miss tomorrow's vlog. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell if you haven't yet done so, and subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Vacation continues, and tomorrow I have a big surprise for you guys, so don't miss that vlog. So catch up and keep up, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and do all the good stuff. And of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at everybody else sleeping. Let me show you them. Look at this one. Look at that one. Hear him laughing because he's not sleeping.